Hey guys, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. Today I've got for you another wireless portable car screen. This one is from the company called roadtop. And the unique thing about this device is that this one has an 8.8-inch wide screen compared to all the different screens that I've been testing in the past that were only 7 inches. So let's take this out to my car and check out all the amazing features. But before that, let's do the unboxing and check out the contents of this box. Alright, so the device comes in a white box. We've got the image of the device here. This side we've got CarPlay with different wallpapers. Then we've got the logos for CarPlay, androidauto and MirrorLink. So nothing much on the box. Let's open the box. So this is all we get in the box. Let me explain. So this is the 12-volt cigarette lighter power adapter. Then we've got a split adapter in case you want to use a cigarette lighter as well as the lighter for the power for the device. Then we've got a rubber strip. This is to basically stick it on your dashboard and then rest the device on top of it so it doesn't slip. Then we've got the bracket to mount the screen. We've got aux cable. Then we've got the pad to mount the screen. We have the user manual. And we also have a rear camera. This is a rear view camera with quite a long harness cable. So in case you want to connect this with the screen. And then finally, we've got the screen itself. Let me open it. So as you can see, it's quite wide compared to the ones that I've been testing. So this is about 8.8 inches wide. Looking at the back, we've got the speakers. All right, on this side, we have the power socket, then the audio jack, and the audio video in. This is for the rear view camera cable. Then on the other side, we have USB-A port and then the TF card slot here. That's it guys, very simple. The screen looks quite nice. So let's take this out in my car and check out all the amazing features. Alright guys, we are all set in the car. I've placed the screen on the dashboard in my car. I will now connect the power adapter. There you go. So the adapter is connected. We can see that the screen is powering up. There you go. So it took about 5 seconds for the screen to start. You can see all the different icons appearing on the screen. Let me take you through the different icons here. The first one is for music. You can connect your mobile Bluetooth and play music. Then you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, screen mirroring for the mobile, Bluetooth connection for music and to make calls, video, and we will test this by connecting a USB flash drive. And then on the next page we've got AV in. This is for the rear view camera, and then finally the settings. So the first thing that we need to do now is connect the audio with the audio system of my car. So what we need to do is click on settings click on audio sender. Now there are three ways you can connect the audio of the device to the audio system of your car. The first one is the FM transmitter, second one is through Bluetooth, and the third one is through the aux cable that came along with the device. So what we would do now is actually connect the audio with the FM transmitter. So I have set 102 megahertz FM frequency on the device, and then I will set the same 108 megahertz FM frequency on the radio system of my car. Once I've done that, I'll click on FM transmitter. Now the audio is connected with the system of my car. So let's test that out. Let's play something on USB so we can connect, so we can test the video playback as well as the sound connection with the device. So I've got a USB flash drive here, and I will now connect it with the device. Alright, now we've connected a USB flash drive with a test video. We've also connected the audio of the device with the audio system of my car. So now let's play something to test if it's working fine. So click on video. This is the test video. Let's play that. All right, so let me reduce the volume, and we can see that the sound is now connected with the system of my car. The video is playing on the screen, and you can see the quality of the screen, the resolution is very, very crisp, very ultra clear, very nice, and I really like that it's a big 8.8 inch screen, so you get a full view. Alright, now let's connect Apple CarPlay to test if that's working and if all the features are also working. So I've got my iPhone 11 here. What we need to do is go open the Bluetooth, and we will find a new device as roadtop DDED. Click on that. We pair, allowed to sync contacts and favorites, and then we can see that it is connected. And as soon as we do that, the device will automatically pick up the connection and will start Apple CarPlay. There you go. So it took a few seconds to connect for the first time, but we can see that the Apple CarPlay homepage is now clearly visible on the screen. Now I will not explain all the different features and functions of Apple CarPlay. If you want to know about it, you can go and watch my other videos where I explain in detail on how to use Apple CarPlay. Now let's connect Android Auto and test the features. So what we need to do is, on my Samsung mobile, I've opened Bluetooth. I can see roadtop as a new available device. Click on that. Then it will start pairing. And then you'll see that as soon as they connect, the device will automatically start connecting Android Auto. There you go. So as you can see, Android Auto is connected. We can go to the home page of Android Auto. and see all the different apps appearing here. Now once again, I will not explain all the features and functions of Android Auto. You can go and check out my other videos where I've explained Android Auto in much detail. So all the apps that you have installed on your mobile would appear in Android Auto. So it's working perfectly fine. Now let's try the mobile mirroring app, and I will connect my iPhone. By the way, the steps are very similar on Android phones as well, so I'll only do it for my iPhone. So what we need to do is first click on mirroring, iPhone, click on Wi-Fi. Should be able to see CarPlay _DDED, which is this. And as soon as I connect that, it says connected. What we need to do is go to screen mirroring, click on mirroring, and then it should start mirroring. There you go. So very easy, just a few steps, and then you can see that the mobile is mirrored now. Now you can play any game, play any video, anything on your mobile, and it will be visible on the screen itself here. That's it, guys. We've tested a few of the important features, but I think this is a very nice screen. I really like that it is a big 8.8 screen, and it is a wide screen. It's not a tall screen, so it does not block your view while you're driving. The quality of the screen is very nice. This is 8.8 inch IPS crystal clear screen. We played a video and it was very nice. We've tested Apple CarPlay, wireless, Android Auto, iPhone screen mirroring as well. We played the USB to check out the video quality as well as the sound. So all the features are working perfectly fine. I would give this 10 out of 10. So I really like this device. So to help you decide the right screen for you, I have put together this comparison table. Now I've tested a total of 4 devices, including this one. The cheapest is the Beni's one, which is $140. However, that screen is not wireless. The next one is Smartbox, which is wireless, but it does not come with a rear view camera. The next one then is Coral Vision. Now Coral Vision and roadtop, in terms of the features and the content, is exactly the same, except for 2 major differences. Roadtop has a bigger screen, 8.8 inches compared to the 7 inches, and roadtop is $50 cheaper than Coral Vision. So if you want to pick up one device which is completely wireless, comes with a rear view camera, and it is not as expensive, then I would suggest picking up the roadtop device. If you like this device and you're interested to buy it, just go to the link that I have provided in the description of this video. That will take you directly to the website where you can purchase this device. That's it, guys. If you have any questions about this device or any other device, just drop me a WhatsApp message. I've provided a direct WhatsApp message link in the description of this video. Finally, please do subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks.